Our project is this waste energy project and how it got started. It got started with some meetings. It has to be in 2007 we started. An interest expressed from the county in terms of looking at what could be done to improve waste management and what the options were for developing renewable energy projects. So we looked at it from our technology, which is a low temperature pyrolysis system run under vacuum. So we heat the waste up to about 500 degrees without any air, and we get oil and char from that, which we can use to generate electricity. So we're looking at that and using 80% of the waste that's going to the landfill for the project. When you're looking at where it's been used, our technology is new. We have a test unit. It's just a small one. It's a demo unit where we get our data from at AITF. That's Alberta Innovates Technology Futures in Vegreville. But a full-scale unit, these would be our first ones. Pyrolysis as a technology, however, has been recognized in reports recently by independent consultants as a real opportunity for communities to deal with municipal solid waste. It's been around a long time. Pyrolysis as a technology has been around since the 1800s. So it's not a new technology, but it's a new application. In terms of other things to do with the project, we're really excited about the opportunity to work with Stettler. Stettler County has been excellent, and we're enthusiastic about it and about reducing impacts from landfill and having some revenues generated at the same time.
The reactor is first brought up to temperature, 500 degrees Celsius, before any of the municipal solid waste feedstock enters the system and the vacuum pump is started. The prepared feedstock is fed into the reactor via the large auger on the left. Below the auger you can see two knife gates. The top knife gate is open and the bottom knife gate is closed. As the feedstock builds up on the bottom knife gate, a sensor is triggered closing the top knife gate. The space between the knife gates is purged with nitrogen to remove any air. The second knife gate opens, dumping the feedstock into the reactor. The internal auger is started and the bottom knife closes and the cycle is repeated. The feedstock is moved through the reactor by the internal auger. As the feedstock comes up to temperature, syngas containing hydrocarbon and water is produced and removed by the vacuum pump. The syngas is drawn out of the unit into the condenser where the boil oil and water are condensed into liquid. The non-condensable portion of the syngas is sent back to the heater for the reactor and burned to generate heat. The bio-oil and water are separated and sent to storage. The biochar leaves the reactor through the lower auger. It also has two knife gates and a nitrogen purge to ensure that no air enters the reactor. The biochar is cooled and sent to storage.
The council and administration of the County of Stettler are very excited about the new waste energy project that is going to happen in the County of Stettler, hopefully within the next year or so. We're making good headway with it now, and this is a system that takes municipal waste and turns it into energy by burning up shredded carbon-based garbage, not burning but pyrolyzing, which is heating it to a certain temperature and taking the gases off and then burning the gases to generate electricity. And what this will do is to prolong the life of our landfill for decades instead of years. And the second benefit of it is we can sell the electricity back into the grid and realize some profit on that as well. The payback on this particular system is, less than 3 years, so we're very excited about it.